Let me show you how I created my birthday party sticker favorite label bundle. I started with my chip bag wrapper, and these elements I got them from Canva, the strawberry, and then these are my text and the font I also got it from Canva. So this is what my background is also from Canva. So I start with my chip bag and the elements and text I get to also create my welcome sign, which is an 8.5 by 11. My invitation that is 5 by 7. This could also be digital or printed. And then the juice pouch. The juice pouch is 3.5 by 5. The round circle I printed out as a 2-inch. My water bottle label is 8 by 2, and my Gable favorite box label is a 6.25 by 3.5. And then so I go ahead and get my elements and just copy and paste them to all my other party favorite labels. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and start with our images. I just arranged them this way. I'm going to go ahead and just copy all of that and paste it. I'm going to go ahead and arrange them just the same as here. I also got my frame, this arch frame. I also got it from Canva. So I'll just go ahead and align this more or less right here. I forgot the strawberries, so let me get these tiny strawberries. Copy and then paste them. So it's just a process of copying and pasting. We're going to go ahead and arrange them right here. And there it is. These are my images right here. Now we're going to go ahead. This is our welcome sign. So I have a welcome to, and then we're just going to go ahead and copy Amanda's 25th birthday. Copy and then paste it. We're going to go ahead and just make our text a little bit larger and center it right there. And there's our welcome sign. We're also going to use that background. That's this one that's right here. I'm going to copy it and then paste it. I could also go ahead and replace background, and there it is. So here's our welcome sign. Okay, so now we're going to do our invitation. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and get our background, copy, and we're going to paste it. I'm going to go ahead and replace as background. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that to all of them. Let me go ahead and paste. And then we're going to go replace background and then paste. And we're going to go ahead, and this one is the frame, so this one locks in. Then here we're going to go ahead and paste and replace background. This is our chip bag. Then here, paste and replace background. There it is. So we already have our background on all of them. Let's go back to our invitation. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and bring my frame, copy, and then we're just going to put it up here. We're going to go ahead and paste it. Let me align it more or less right here, and then adjust the size. And then I'm going to go to positions, and then I'm going to bring this one to the back. Delete this one. We're going to go ahead and center our frame. Make sure it is centered. We're going to go to align, center, and middle, and yes, it's perfect. Okay, so here we're going to go ahead. We already have our join us to celebrate. And let me make this the arch a little bit right here. Let's go ahead and bring our text message right here. Copy and paste it right here. Everything here is copy and paste once you have like the chip bag. So here we're going to go ahead and center this. And right here, there we go. You could even make it smaller if you wanted. I think that's too big. Right here. And there it is. Bring it a little bit down. I'm going to bring it down right here. Okay. Then let's go bring some of our elements. Let me go ahead and copy this bow. Copy and paste. I'm just going to go ahead and do those things. If the bow's too big, just go ahead and make it smaller. I think it's big still. Right there. Let's bring this one a little bit down. Let's go ahead and center it. Okay. And then let's bring our other elements that we want to bring in. Let's see. Let's bring this one. Copy. These we're going to scatter around. Paste it. We're going to go ahead and do it right here. Let's go ahead and bring something else over here. Let me bring the strawberry and paste it. Let me go ahead and flip it. And we're going to put it right here. We could put something else right here. Let me think. I think I like the croissant. Copy and paste it right here. Let me see if I, right there now, because it has the bow like that. We could just do it like that. And there it is. You could have more elements over here. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. And we'll go ahead and do our juice pouch. Okay, for our juice pouch, we already have our background. We have our frame. We have our thank you for celebrating. And we're going to go ahead and bring our text right here. Copy and paste it. Let's go ahead and adjust our size right here. And then I'm going to bring this bow and then bring it over here to our juice pouch label. Let's go ahead and shrink it a little bit and center it. Let's make this smaller. And right here. Let's bring this a little bit down. There it is. And now we're going to go ahead and bring our elements right here. Let's go ahead and copy this again, once again. 1, 2, and then this one, our strawberries, our cake, and our other drink. Then we copy, and then we're going to go ahead and paste it. I'm going to go ahead and group it. And there we go. We place it right here. We make it a little bit bigger. And we center it right here. We could bring this a little bit more down so there won't be so much blank space. And right here, and bring it down. There it is. So this is our juice pouch label. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same with our other labels. Let's go ahead and continue with this one. And let me go ahead and copy this. Copy and paste. And then we change our size for the text. And then let's go ahead and then we'll bring some elements to put here on the side. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and bring my bow, copy, and then paste it. And I'm going to put my bow down here. Let me see if the bow fits here. Right there. Then let's go ahead and bring in some of our elements. Copy and paste it. Oh, I brought everything. Let me go ahead and get this one over here. Copy, and then I'm going to place it right here, paste it. And we're going to go ahead and here. And there it is. And then we put something else over here. We could bring, let me see, what else can we bring? Let's try and bring this cake and paste it. And that'd be right here. There it is. Cute. So we're going to go ahead and finish this one up as well. Let's go ahead and bring this in to our water bottle label. And right here, we're going to go ahead and change the size of it right here. Then we're going to go ahead and let's bring our drink and bring it over here. Oh, no, not here. Over here. This one. We're not done with this one. Paste it. Bring it right here. Right there. And then something else over here. We could bring that cake we had over here. Right here, place it and paste. And right here, we'll put it right there. We could bring one of our strawberries right here. Copy this one. And let's bring our strawberry right here. And this is how we do our water bottle label. Everything is just copy and paste from your original design that you started. So everything could match. All the themes could match right here. They're custom, they're personalized. You could purchase these in my website. They are available. Let's go ahead and do this one, copy and paste it right here. This one's right here. This one, let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger and right here. And these are our Matcha birthday party sticker favorite labels. If you guys are interested, go ahead, check out my website. They are custom, they are personalized, and they are available now at my website. If you guys like this video, go ahead and comment, leave it a like, and don't forget to follow.